So this video here is going to be the first video in a new series that I'm going to call Amazon versus Harbor Freight. It's going to be focused a lot on tools because, well, that's what Harbor Freight does. So we're going to see what Harbor Freight has, what Amazon has, who has it cheaper, what's the better deal. And today I'm starting it with this half-gallon sprayer. So who won in this video? Harbor Freight won on this one. Amazon's cheapest price for a half-gallon sprayer like this, the cheapest I can find last night, was $9.99. I'll put a link to that sprayer down in the description of the video. This item here at Harbor Freight is $4.99 regular price from what I could tell. And I happened to be in there at a time where they had 30% off all items under $10, limit 5. So I bought 3 of these. I got 30% off of the $4.99. They came out to about $3.50 a piece. So you could get 3 of these items here. Not the same name brand, of course, they're all basically the same design from China, but you could get 3 of these from Harbor Freight for the price of 1 on Amazon. Now, that's probably because it is a little bit of a bulky item, so shipping has to play a factor, but that's it. Harbor Freight won this one. This is what you're going to get in the box. It does say right here that they tested it, so if there's a little bit of water in there, there was. I opened it up, I checked it. You're going to get your standard adjustable valve here, replaceable nozzle also. You got your pump valve here to pump it. You've got your spray button here and a lock, so I like that. And then inside this half-gallon canister here, you're going to get the hose. That's your pickup hose. You're going to get your pump and, like I said, a good half-gallon canister here. So this is what it looks like. And I've used quite a few of these before. I really like the product. It does over time degrade and become a problem, especially if you leave them outside. I've noticed if I leave this even on my patio, but somewhere covered out of the sunlight, these will last you years. If you keep them out of the sunlight and you put them up, empty them out, don't leave chemicals in them, they'll last for a really long time. If you leave chemicals in them, you leave them out in the sun, stick them by a fence or something, maybe a year, and then you're probably gonna be throwing it away. So if you take care of it, put it up, then you should get some good use out of it. I like these because I do all kinds of homemade remedies. Like check out the channel for my wasp spray that you can make at home. There's also weed killer, fertilizers, all kinds of stuff that you can make at home that reduces the chemicals that you're spraying and still does a wonderful job. What I like about these sprayers though is I go over here and I will write wasp killer. I'll put fertilizer, I'll put weed killer, and I'll just write this on there with a big black magic marker. And from that point forward, that sprayer will be that purpose. But anyways, Harbor Freight won on this one. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, do all the fun stuff, because I'm going to have a lot more of these coming. I hope this information has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.